All right, working on beauty here, trying to get the carbs straightened out. I didn't take the bodies off. I have shot cleaner through all the orifice here, and there's beautiful fuel flow through all of the chambers. So I'm not going to take them off. They're such a pain in the butt to take off. I'm not going to take them off. But I do have the bowls over here and the main jets and needle jet here and the floats, the new floats. And I noticed something really weird, and we need to talk. Okay, let's put this over here with that. These are the bowls that came out of beauty. And I'm going to try to give you a light in there so you can see what I saw. Can you see what I saw? Look down the holes, down these gas needle, jet needle. See the size of the holes at the bottom? That caught my eye. They seem big. So I went down to my buddy Roger and I actually went through about 20 bowls and they're all the same. Look at the difference in size in that hole. Okay, the bottom line is that somebody drilled these out. These are drilled out probably on the old more gas is better gas theory. And so then that brings up the question, since these are the size of the stock holes and these are overboard, will the needle valve, this guy, the gas needle, really seal these holes, these over drilled holes, if you put them in there? Or will they slowly leak when the bike is sitting idle, allowing gas to seep past, fill up the bowls, go down the intakes, into the valves, through the valves, any open valve, into the cylinders, past the rings, into the sump, and allow, half a gallon of gasoline to soak all the way down into the sump, and then dilute whatever oil's down there and basically make a mess of it. So bottom line is I'm not putting these bowls back on. Let me show you something interesting. If I take this, I'm going to put this on the tripod. I'll be right back. All right, let's resume where we just left off. If I take a Q-tip and take the new unmodified bowls coming in from the bottom, I can you see this right down here? Anyway, yeah, okay. I can just barely get that Q-tip into the little hole. Actually, I can't even get it in. It's just sort of right there, stuck on the end of it. Okay? On both of these, completely stock unmodified, the Q-tip will just barely go into the hole and stick there. Taking the ones that have been modified, that's how much it's been over drilled. So, don't know if that's causing a problem. Don't care if it's causing a problem. These are not going back on the bike. So we'll just put those over there. We got these all cleaned up, and these are going to go on the bike. Now, right now I'm in sort of a hold status because I've ordered new needles for the needle jet, and as soon as the new needles come in to make sure that we've got the right ones, we'll put the carbs back together and probably start the bike up. In the meantime, I've got work to do elsewhere, and I'm going to leave this here for a day or two while I take care of some other stuff. I have to, I got the RV back, and I have to get an alignment done on it because it's pulling to the right. And I'm going to be driving it for 6 weeks, so I want it to be right. So I got to just go try and start trying to find somebody who can do an alignment on my RV soon. All right, so that's where we are. And this is all the stuff that's off the bike. And here's the bike over here with the carbs hanging open, and we're at a stopping point. So I'm going to call it a day.